The omnipresent existence of Facebook has led to over 350 million people having an online identity more complex than ever before. They are provided with the opportunity to share almost anything they want to, from photos to links to virtual gifts to status updates. Just like in real life, you share certain things with certain people and share other things with other people. With so much of your information accessible on Facebook, you should take precautions with who gets to see what. Not tweaking your privacy settings could lead to harsh consequences. For example, photos of you at the wild party the night before could cost you your job, if your boss has access to them, that is. Hence, if you're on Facebook, it's crucial for you to be smart about how you handle your privacy settings. On that note, here are this week's techie tips on how to keep things confidential in the world of Facebook. Number 1. Having lists keeps your contacts organized. A typical example would be to have 3 groups for family, friends, and professional. You can then share particular things with some of the groups. For example, if you upload some family photos, you can make them exclusively available for the family list, limiting access to friends and professional contacts. To create your own friends list, click on the Friends tab at the top of the screen where you'll find lists written on the left-hand side. Under that will be another Friends tab. Click on that and a page of all your contacts will open, each with an Add to List option next to them. Just access that option and you can type in the title of the list you want to add that contact to.
2. Restrict some contacts. An alternative to a friends list is to allow as well as restrict certain information from specific contacts. This is more tedious than friend lists, as you have to add each contact's name rather than a bunch of them saved in a list. Go to the privacy settings and click on Profile. Then choose a category such as About Me, Personal Info, or Birthday, and click on Customize. Then a custom privacy box will appear from where you can make that information visible to specific people. In the same box, you'll have the option of hiding that information from specific people.
Number 3. Make your contact information very private. This is your basic information like your phone number and email address. Many people forget to restrict this to those contacts who know them well and then wonder how random people end up contacting them. To change this, go to your profile and click on the Info tab. Then go to Contact Information, and there you will see a lock icon next to your email address, phone number, etc. Click on it and customize the contacts who get to see them.
Number 4. Protect your albums. To keep the photo albums you uploaded private, click on Photo Albums. Each album can be given different privacy settings. The photos and videos which you've been tagged in can also be limited by clicking on Photos and Videos of Me.
Number 5. Avoid embarrassing wall posts. Every now and then, a friend of yours will come along and leave a very embarrassing post on your wall. Don't fret though. You have the ability to customize your wall posting's visibility. Go to your profile page and click on the Settings tab in the top right corner of your wall, where you can control who gets to see the posts made by your friends on your wall.
Number 6. Avoid the infamous video photo tag mistake. You may find yourself tagged in a couple of photos or videos that can be quite incriminating and could lead to bigger problems. To untag yourself from such evidence, go to your profile information in privacy settings and access the options of Photos and Videos of Me. Click on Customize, and in the pop-up box that appears, select the options Only Me and None of My Networks. By selecting Some Friends, you can enable certain friends to access the photos.
Number 7. Remove yourself from Facebook search results. If you prefer adding contacts yourself rather than appearing in the Facebook search result page for others to add you, all you need to do is visit your search privacy settings and select Only Friends or My Networks and Friends.
Number 8. Remove yourself from Google. In these searches, only your profile picture, friends, a link to add you as a friend, and a list of fan pages can be seen. If you'd rather not pop up in search results such as this, simply go to the search privacy settings where you'll see a box next to the phrase Public Search Results.
Number 9. Go completely invisible. If you want to restrict all of your information, you can do so by accessing your profile information in the privacy settings. Each of the categories have a drop-down box next to them to control who can see the item in that category. By setting the categories to customize, you will be given the option to select only friends, where members of your networks who aren't your friends won't be able to see your profile. If you want some of your networks to see it, you can select the ones you want by ticking the boxes next to their names.
Number 10. Permanently delete your account. Even after all these arduous alterations, you still feel that having your information on Facebook is dangerous. The final resort is termination of your account. On your account settings page, the very last option is deactivate my account.
Well, there it is. Facebook privacy issues clarified. This ought to help you in all your future social networking endeavors.
Google, CIO and DawnNews have teamed up to bring forward the country's first blog awards. The 400 or so blogs have been split up in categories such as education, business, humor and technology. While there are obviously popular categories like Best Current Affairs Blog, Best Political Blog, etc., it's refreshing to see categories such as Best Diarist and Best Food Blog present as well. The awards seem to have been advertised primarily within the Twitter and blogging community and through word of mouth. All entries are accepted, but there is a screening process before a blog is nominated. An undisclosed team will undertake the final judging process.
We hope you enjoyed I-Techie today. We'll see you next time.